U.S. seizes $500,000 in digital currency linked to Chinese man involved in crypto fraud. Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. The United States has seized digital currency valued at approximately $500,000 from an account registered to a Chinese individual who was implicated in a crypto investment fraud scheme. The scam, commonly referred to as pig butchering, involves manipulating unsuspecting victims into investing in fraudulent cryptocurrency schemes through online interactions, per a report from Reuters. The report cited court documents filed by U.S. authorities in Massachusetts, which showed the U.S. Secret Service confiscated the digital currency from an account bearing the name Wang Yicheng in June. At the time, the seized digital assets amounted to around $500,000. The funds traced back to a victim residing in Massachusetts, whose money was illicitly diverted into Wang's account, as stated in the filing, submitted on November 21. Reuters article reveals Wang received funds linked to scams. The seizure came after Wang was identified as a businessman who had cultivated relationships with influential figures in Thailand's law enforcement and political circles while serving as the vice president of a Chinese trade group based in Bangkok in a Reuters article. The report, published on November 23, shed light on a crypto account under Wang's name that had received over $90 million in recent years, as revealed through transaction logs and documents. Notably, at least $9.1 million of those funds were linked to pig butchering scams, according to TRM Labs, a U.S. blockchain analysis firm. The trade group associated with Wang is known as the Thai Asia Economic Exchange Trade Association. In response to inquiries, the association emphasized its commitment to complying with laws and regulations and disavowed any support for illegal activities. It stated that Wang's personal and business affairs were unrelated to the trade association, clarifying that Wang was no longer associated with the group and contact had been severed. U.S. has not yet filed legal charges against Wang. Regarding the legal proceedings, the court filing represents a civil forfeiture action wherein the government seeks court approval to take possession of assets seized in connection with alleged criminal activities. As of now, the United States has not filed any criminal charges related to this particular case, according to the U.S. Attorney's Office in Massachusetts. Acting U.S. Attorney Joshua Levy in Massachusetts said the use of civil forfeitures to recover funds stolen through crypto fraud schemes. Despite the seemingly elusive nature of cryptocurrency transactions, law enforcement is adapting and evolving, he said in a statement. It is worth noting that the U.S. government is the largest holder of Bitcoin BTC, acquiring approximately 200,000 coins worth around $5 billion through seizures related to criminal activities. The digital assets were seized from cybercriminals and darknet markets and are securely stored offline in encrypted hardware wallets controlled by various federal agencies, including the Justice Department and the Internal Revenue Service (IRS). Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy and terms of service apply. IMG SRC equals https://simg co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals img id equals newsletter pop-up img.